Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of NeuroNation app you click on settings. In this page you will go to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about NeuroNation app and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to